1,
Gary.
2,
Gary.
3.
Gary, what is this doing?
What do you mean, what's this doing? What are you, a moron? You want abs? This is how you get abs.
I mean, do you think that ice is the
Hey,
best way to...
You think you get rock-hard abs like these by doing the planks? Come on, ice, abs, let's go, 5.
Is this for, like, the cold shock proteins?
Yeah,
or...
yeah, all that crap.
Gary, it really hurts.
Good, that means it's wicked.
No, I mean, it's freezing my skin. I'm getting frostbite. Can't we try something less painful, like Emsculpt? I've heard that really works.
You know, not for nothing, but you kids these days, yeah, you know how to get into best shape with your fancy machines and your vegan diets and whatnot. Ice ups, egg yolks, jumping jacks. That's how you get the body of a real man like this. Let's go, one more hot shot.
My chest is numb, Gary. I need a doctor.
No pain, no gain, Daffodil.
Oh, I hate you, Gary.
What are you, my mother?